taking it down to the lounge room.
Mom, I tell it to you,
Careful.
but not Daddy.
Mom.
Alright. This is hard.
That one's yours.
I glued it yesterday. Do I have to glue it again today?
No.
It looks so pretty, Mom.
Okay, when it dries, you can put them away.
It looks so pretty, Mommy. This is hard. I can't really.
It's dried.
There we go. But I'm almost this thing. No way. It's Baby Rocky. If it's Baby Rocky.
You got Baby Rocky.
Oh.
Did you get Baby Rocky? That's Baby Rocky.
Yep, we did. We did. Wait, there's another one. Wait, there's another one in there. Wait, there's a blue and white one in there.
Wait a
I
minute.
think the blue is I think. Milky! 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 Shark! Shark! It has to be baby sick shark with his friend goldfish.
Oh!
Yeah. Sticky and
Baby
Sticky and
Sticky.
Rocky.
come together. Well, that odd. That odd.
Oh, the nappy fell off.
The nappy fell off while she was taking them out. This is hard. I can't take them out. Ow, my finger's
Oh,
hurting.
that's my Soleil.
Who's in the white bag? I think it's Milky.
I think it's Milky.
And
Possibly.
I think this is baby sick shark. Yeah.
Alright, take one at a time.
Alright, Carter. I'll go Milky. I'll go stick shark.
The joys of opening match.
I've been hold the bottom. So Dad, pull. 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 I'm pulling. I need our
One.
We're very happy.
That looks
Got
like
it.
ghosty.
Ah!
No, no, it's Milky.
Milky! Look, it's Milky! That's baby sick shark.
I want baby peach.
No.
No!
Oh my god, that's so cute. I want it.
No! It's not!
Can I have one?
You take
got
the
heaps.
nappy off.
It's Milky!
Can I have this one?
You
got
can
heaps.
have...
No, they've been wanting thick shark for ages.
No.
Look how cute it is.
Oh my god, thick shark is so cute.
I know. I want it.
Oh, Mom, do you want to hear something after I take him out?
Check it
Oh,
out.
I know what you're gonna say.
What? Milky milk? No, don't tell them. Milky milk. Take a look. Ready? You ready? Wait. He has half batteries because he sings the milk song. Look, there's a tag that says, press here, he needs to have batteries. He has a voice box that says Milky Milk. He needs a battery.
I thought you were gonna say this catchphrase. Adam needs some milk.
No, he's gonna say milk. Wait, let's see it.
If I see thick Chuck on the floor, I'm taking him. I'm being serious.
Okay. I'm gonna
I
read.
understand.
I'm gonna read. There's two. Wait, what?
Pull that zipper open. Tell me what batteries it needs.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, never mind. This will tell me. Batteries are included, apparently. Pull the tab.
It says, "Hi, I'm Milky." So you're.
Right, now Jazz, press the button. Let Jazz do it.
No.
I can't. I
You
can't.
gotta find it. That's Adam's voice.
Yeah, the Milky song.
Adam needs some milk.
Alright. Where's the
So
others?
what do you think of your lankybox? What do you
Oh,
think?
Jazzy's gonna annoy us with this. She's gonna keep pressing it. Her and Coda.
Where's the other card though? Oh, here it is.
Don't put it on YouTube. I'm not dressed and my hair's not done.
So what do you think your lankybox means?
Wait, it has the song card.
Right here.
Oh, there it is. So now I know what it says.
Yeah, all it has is milky milk, milky milk.
And that he needs milk at the end.
He needs some
But
milk.
first I want to read this. Hi, I'm Milky. So happy you're my new friend. Press my handle to sing the milk song with me. Adam and Justin thank for you all your support. Now here's the milk song.
Like,
I'm
why
scared.
don't you delete? Why don't you put download edit, right? Try and edit your videos. Try to make them not so long.
Oh, and Mom.
The long ones are the best ones.
I like this cute one. Mom, you can take their nappies off.
Don't.
Mom, Adam said that you can take their nappy off if you want to.
Nope.
Guess what?
Look at his friend Goldfish.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
If I find that on the floor, I'm taking him.
If I find that on the floor, I'm taking him. Because I like the shark. It's cute.
I like him. He's cute.
But even baby Rocky's adorable.
Yo, Sticky. No, he's not. Yeah.
Milky's
want-
adorable too. Look at
Yeah, because he can sing the milk song. Get